The Igbo cultural dances stem from spiritual patterns which might, transmit either words or emotion that are recognized within the Igbos. If you would like to know more, why don't you grab your drink or water? I preach for water because water is life. Relax and let's get into it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ujunwa. At the end of this video, if you like it, please don't forget to touch the like button. Also remember to share with your family and your friends. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time, why don't you subscribe to be part of this family where I share cultural heritage of the Igbos, Ndi Igbo. In Igbo land, we have different types of traditional dances. Today, I am going to share just 5 popular ones with you. The dance is a consistent art of expressed across continents, with drums alternating with the driving force or baseline to our unique expression, highlighting the complex or acrobatic and spiritual components of the African dance. So the first one I am going to talk about is the Etiliogo dance from Igbo land. Etiliogo dance is acrobatic dance. Etiliogo is a very popular Igbo cultural dance. It's often presented in happy festive weddings and ceremonies. This acrobatic dance is the flip, the turn, and the jumps are said to be holding and evoking host of clapping hands and excitement. The Etiliogo, isn't all about, flipping alone. The skilled dancers also present articulated, footwork once they dance together. Etiliogo dance is peculiar for young dancers who gather to make some active and energetic movements for entertainment and excitement of the Igbo cultural dance. So the next one I'm going to talk about is the Ikpilikiliago. The Ikpilikiliago, you can also call it Ohafia war dance. The Ohafia war dance is known as war dance. This war dance was originally performed to welcome soldiers home after the fought tribal war back in the days. In modern times, the Ikpilikiliago is mainly performed, just like in the festive or community event. But the purpose, it shows the strength of the community and its, conquest over collective challenges. In the early days, the Ohafia men, when they engage in neighboring towns, the tribal war, they return with, supposed defeated opponent human heads. It is said that, the warriors will carry the head in their traditional triangular basket, the ones you see them carry on their head. It's known as Oba. It's a cane basket. So each of the warriors who, participated in this tribal or, neighboring war carry his own Oba with his acquired head. As they return home, the people hail them and welcome them with songs that they dance along with. It has these energetic steps and moves. So the Ikpilikiliago dance, which character is focused on war activities, is rather performed just only men. Women are not allowed because of the nature and the purpose in which the dance was created. So I'm going to go to the next one. So the next one is Mmanwu. Mmanwu is known as masquerade in Igbo land. It is the most popular dance in the Igbo culture. Mmanwu is celebrated across all entire Igbo land. So in the ancient days, they either represent deities or were messengers by the deities to deliver judgment or penalties on people who are believed, to be very powerful in the communities in the early days. This Mmanwu represents gods or masquerades who impact punishment and judgment to those in power. So they are performed only by male, exclusively secret societies, and they put on colorful costumes that are meant to invoke ancestral spirits. The living dead are what this masquerade spirit embodies. In Igbo, like the people believe that the dead never actually die. Rather, they remain in their personal immortal state. They reside, somewhere within the earthly world and the spiritual world. So these living dead are believed to be closely related to those of the village. So since the men are masquerades, the Igbos are believed that they were buried within their homes, and so the spirit may be close to their family, and the living dead then return to the earthly world from time to time to offer spiritual advice to some of the family members who are still alive. So it is the living dead who the masquerade portrays. So in Igbo land, these masquerades are portrayed to be the past loved ones of this family member where the body is buried. They were untouchable, and they appear to be spirits. The Mmonwu dance is usually featured in most Igbo carnivals, celebration, funerals, including the New Yam Festival, which is obvious, one of the most popular festive in Igbo land. It is always strictly performed by men. Like I said before, their performances are usually vibrant and mobile, causing audience to enjoy the entertainment and the excitement of this Mmonwu dance. Back in the days when my parents used to take us back home for the Christmas festive, witnessed the entertainment and the excitement of the Mmonwu. So during Christmas period, the communities always pay them to come out in the market square to entertain people. So when I visit the market square with my family member or some of my relatives who are in the village, they are always very ready to take you, because they feel they're more stronger and they want to scare you sometime. So they take you to the village square and you witness this excitement of the Mmonwu. It used to be a very, I don't know, entertaining kind of, and very, after watching them, when you come back home you feel so tired because you must have done a lot of running, and maybe some of them chasing you because they want you to give them money, because normally when they come close to you, they speak in gibberish language that you probably don't understand, and you have to throw out some coin or money for them. And whereby you cannot do that, you see some of them chasing, or you're gonna run to. So it's a very exciting and very fascinating thing to see during the Christmas period. And across Igbo land, this Mmonwu are one of the dance that associates in Igbo spiritual belief. It is part of Igbo culture, and in it's will I say it is also part of the early Igbos belief about spiritual being. Abacha Ekuru Nwa is the next one. So this dance is usually performed by mothers and married ladies. So it is generally involved a responsive movement of the body. And also the rhythm is to use hip swinging to dance to that music. Married men or new mothers usually use it as an entertaining opportunity to exercise and lose weight and shade their baby fats and stay healthy through the weekly rehearsal. This dance is used as an opportunity to get back to shape and lose all that extra flesh that you must have accumulated or during the pregnancy period. It used to be very exciting, entertaining, wherever you see them being invited to entertain people, in mostly in weddings and very happy events. So the next one I'm going to talk about is the Nkwa Umuabogo. Nkwa Umuabogo is medium dance. This kind of dance is used for attracting suitors back in the days. It involves the rhythm and the movement of chest and the waist. It is performed by maidens, young ladies, young girls who had come of age and were ready to be married off. Back in the days, it was a key aspect of the Igbo culture and was used to foster absence of sexual activities before marriage. Yes, you understand, before marriage back in the days in Igbo land. So, but in the modern days, it is currently performed as form of entertainment by young ladies with beautiful bodies in events and ceremonies. But still, it retains that movement of the chest and the waist that gives mostly the young men, entertainment and excitement when they invite them in ceremonies and events. So the steps and the movement of the chest and the waist just make the young men go, wow, who am I going to choose, and all of that. Back in the days, after this dance, after this cultural entertainment, most of them are seen married off. So it's one of Igbo cultural cultural dance that attached to the ladies getting ready and doing everything to look their best before they will present this dance on any cultural or any event. So the Igbo combination of dance and music is considered to represent the Igbo culture and their spiritual belief. So the positioning of Igbo dancing reveals that it does not only refer to category of mass entertainment, but it's also part of Igbo culture traditional ritual. So we're going to conclude this by saying that the role of Igbo dance in their life, as a population, concerns their spiritual life and religious fundament, and also entertaining activity, which functions in, most of African countries. So on that note, I am going to end this video here. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you like it, please don't forget to touch the like button and share it with family and friends. And if you're seeing this channel for the first time, why don't you subscribe to be part of this family where we share cultural heritage of the Igbos. Thank you for watching and check out my next video. See you soon and bye-bye.